Date natin, November 5, 2024. Alam to, commentary lang to. Filipino, few na kasi. Tapos tinag si Donald Trump. Abolish banking cartel and liberate the wealth of the sovereign nations, including the wealth of the Philippines, secured by Ferdinand Marcos, that has been held hostage and hijacked by Illuminati, Jewish, Satanic, Kabbalist, Antichrist. Hindi ko gets yung ganito guys eh. Bakit? Ewan ko bakit may mga nasasaling Antichrist, Judaizers, ano? Shall go back to gold standard, contradicts the agenda global system which implement. Kung gustong i-point out dito eh, teka, CBDC. Kasi nga si Pi Network, di ba?